Greetings and welcome to Divine Prosperous Living, the Lulu Experience Retreat, Morocco, December 11th through the 17th, 2023. Reconnect and transform and thrive. Join us for a life-changing retreat in Morocco. Are you ready to break free from burnout? Ignite your transformation and embark on a journey towards a life filled with freedom and abundance? We have an incredible opportunity that you won't want to miss. Your path to radical recovery and abundance is in the breathtaking landscapes of Morocco. This retreat is designed for women, welcome transformation into their lives, and strategically plan for a future brimming with a freedom and abundance. Here are some retreat highlights. Our location. Immerse yourself in the enchanting beauty of Morocco, where ancient traditions meet modern luxury. Our retreat will take place in a serene oasis, providing the perfect backdrop for your journey. The transformational sessions, led by renowned expert Jacqueline Brown, she delivers her excellent content in what is known as Revolution Ascension's The Lulu Experience. These sessions will help you rediscover your inner strength, build resilience, and unlock your true potential. You will reconnect with your body and mind through daily meditation sessions in the serene Moroccan landscapes. Savor the flavors of Moroccan cuisine with our delicious and healthy meals specifically crafted to nourish your body. You will connect with fellow participants in the evening under the Moroccan sky, sharing stories and dreams. Close the year refreshed and strong with a strategy for your desires and goals in 2024. Remember, our retreat dates are December 11th through the 17th, 2023. Secure your spot now. Click on the link in this announcement. Our retreat is not just a getaway. It's a transformational experience that will equip you with the tools and mindset needed to design a life filled with freedom and abundance. Start the new year with intention and a clear strategic plan to achieve your dreams. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity to invest in yourself and your future. This retreat is limited to a select group of women ready to change, so please secure your spot. If you're ready to break free from burnout and transform your life and create a future of abundance and freedom with joy, ease, and flow, then this retreat is for you. Join us in Morocco and embark on a radical recovery and transformation journey. Don't wait to transfer your life. Take the first step today. We cannot wait to welcome you to Morocco.